Balancing studies and YouTube at IIT Bombay is definitely a challenge, especially with all the academic pressure. But since YouTube is really important for me, I have figured out a way to manage both. Let me share how I do it. The key to managing both is planning ahead. I use my time blocking where I set specific times for YouTube and studying. For example, in the morning I work on my YouTube videos, whether it's scripting or editing. The rest of the day is for classes. I focus on the most important topics that will have the biggest impact on my grades. I don't try to study everything, just the 20% that will give me 80% of results. One of the challenges I faced at IIT Bombay is finding a quiet place to shoot videos. And right now where I'm recording this video, I am 1 kilometer away from my hostel. The campus is always busy and it's hard to find a peaceful spot. But somehow I managed to make it work, whether it's recording in a corner of the library during break or even late at night when things calm down a bit. That's how I balance studies and YouTube at IIT Bombay. It's not easy, but with the right planning and a bit of creativity, it's totally doable. If you are also juggling studies and a passion project, I hope this video helps you out.